It's the kind of day it's gonna be right here, guys. It's rising grind time. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlog. We're gonna try to go 2 days in a row today, guys. Let's see if we can do it. See if we can do it. Right now it's 5:50 a.m. Headed to the shop, guys. First appointment's at 6 a.m. Let's see how the day goes today. Hopefully it's better than yesterday. This rain is crazy though, guys. It's like, it's raining. It's been raining for 3 days already, you know? So here in California, we're not used to that shit, guys. So around here, when it rains like this, guys, I'm telling you, people don't like to come out. So I don't know what's up for today. I'm about 50% booked, not even 100%. So we're just gonna play by ear, see how it goes. But I'm headed to the shop right now. See when we get there. Rise and grind time, guys. 6 a.m. is here. See what our day brings us today, guys. Hopefully it brings us a lot of clients. Yesterday I went on my social media and I posted up, rain or shine, we are on the grind. I was a poet and I didn't even know it. Bought a couple items from Amazon, guys. I'm gonna review today. I'll show you guys in a little bit what I got. Okay, my light is on. Looks like we're on. Make myself a cup of coffee, because coffee is king early in the morning. Hey, that rhymes too. Shoot, hey, everything's rhyming this morning, guys. What's going on here? Let me get some more water in here. If it seems like I'm moving fast, guys, it's because I am. Everything I do is fast. That's the way I am. Raider Nation, baby. All day, every day. It's not just football, it's a lifestyle, baby. If you're not a Raider fan, you don't understand. See? Okay, let me make this cup of coffee real quick, guys. This is my morning routine right here when I get to the barbershop, guys. Got myself a K-cup, donut shop, turn it on, push my little button, make my 12-ounce cafecito. If you ain't drinking coffee in the morning, guys, man, oh man, how do you even get your day started? I'm using the Keurig right here, cafe and single shot all at once. You could either make yourself a carafe of coffee, or you can make yourself just one big cup. I like this one because I could put my big cup under there. And I'm making a 12-ounce cup of hot, steamy Joe. Okay, guys, remember how I told you guys I'm doing all these videos for Amazon and everything? Well, I'm going to start ordering certain products. What I'm doing is I'm going on the list of best sold products through Amazon. And like, guys, when you go to straight razors for Amazon, this is the #1 seller right here. They've sold like 35,000 of these. The #1 seller for straight razors. So what I did is I ordered this. Price on this is, I think it was like 15 bucks. It's a good deal. The derbies alone are $7, $8. So the blade's only another $8. No reviews on it, no video reviews on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple videos. I'm going to do a video of me, you know, my first initial video. Then I'm going to do a video opening it up. Then I'm going to do a video putting the blade inside of it. And I'm going to load up each one of those videos as separate videos. Catch somebody's eye and catch that commission, guys. And then the other machine I bought was I ordered this machine right here. This is the best selling home machine by Wahl, guys. I think it's like 35 bucks. Look at, super fancy. Product that was shipped brand new to Wahl factory. Security label applied to the outside. Oh, okay, so they just want to make sure that they're not getting a returned item, which is cool. Get your little bag right here. Take it out. And basically, this is a home cutting machine, guys. But the reason why I bought this is because, guys, there's like, this thing's been bought like 50,000 times. There's 35,000 reviews on it. So I thought it would just be a good idea to try one out, buy it, maybe do a haircut with it, and do my own review so that the people out there that are buying it will know whether it's good or not. It's called a color key. So basically, oh shit, it's not even a, I thought it was going to be an adjustable handle. It's not even an adjustable handle. So what it is you put the different color codes on here of the clip, and that's what number you are. So there's no handle. You never have to adjust the handle. It's just one clip, one size. That's going to be interesting to do a haircut. I mean, it's probably good for home haircuts, but here at the barbershop, it's probably not practical. What's up, brother?
What's going on, brother?
Well, rain is still ongoing, guys. It's gonna rain all day long. Headed to go get some lunch right now. We've been relatively busy. I mean, I've been pretty busy. The boys are trying to stay busy. They got 2 or 3 cuts each, but it's not a regular day, that's for sure. But, you know, we still gotta show up. You still gotta do everything. You gotta be here to do your job in order to function properly at the barbershop. So, god damn, it's cold. I mean, it's 39 degrees right here. For California, that's pretty unheard of. You know, you don't really get 39 degree weather in California. So when you do get that weather, people tend to stay away, stay home and not come out, and you know. And then there's really nothing going on this weekend, so therefore it's just not that busy. But I think right now I probably have about 6 or 7 cuts, and then I have 2 little boys coming in, but dad prepaid for them yesterday and never showed up, so he's bringing them today. Oh, so he already paid yesterday, so I got to do those 2 cuts right now. But we're here. Oh my god, it's so cold. Woo! All right, guys, see you guys in a bit. Look at this shit, guys. It's sunny, but it's raining. Crazy combo. Raider Nation, baby. I like that jacket, dude. Raiders. These are little characters.
Yeah. I just became a grandpa again on Tuesday.
Did you? Oh, congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
How many you got now?
2.
2? Oh, cool.
2 little grandkids.
I got 3 of them.
Yeah.
3. That shit's on the best, dude.
Boy or girl? This is a boy.
Boy?
Yeah, Braden. Yeah, little guy.
Both boys?
Both boys.
Nice. If you get the girl on, huh?
Oh, no. I'm not ready for that one yet. I got 1 daughter.
I thought it was scary to have a girl.
Yeah, right?
Because it's not like back then.
No.
It's like you gotta be more cautious and it's scarier now.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's probably scarier then for dads too, but you know what I mean? Yeah. I see, like with my daughter and my son, my little boy, I'm like, fuck that, go do something, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Girls are way more lovable.
Yes. Yeah. You want to stay out till midnight? No problem. My little girl, yeah, no, you be in by like 7 o'clock.
Yeah. Not the same. Not the same rules.
No.
My granddaughter yesterday just went with her dad to the dad first dance. Oh man, it was so cute. She looked so happy. You got a girlfriend out there? Yeah. It's a haircut. It's the haircuts, dog.
You didn't want the haircut.
You know.
I gotta have something to grab onto when you piss me off.
Yeah. Oh, even me, dude. Like right now, I gotta keep my goatee on. My wife won't let me cut it off no more. So right now, I like your goatee on. I'm like, I'm tired of it already. But happy wife, happy life.
Yep.
The number one rule.
Man, there's so much truth to that. Oh.
So how does she want it?
What did she
I was gonna change it up.
That was perfect.
That's good with this.
Oh man.
She said, "Cut it short, but leave it long."
Yeah. Give him a cul-de-sac.
There was this one kid that did that in here. He came. He always used to get a 0, you know. And then that one day he came in with his girl and he looked over at her like, "Well, how should I get it, babe?" And she's all like, "Oh, remember I told you, leave it long." So he walked out with like a regular haircut. And I was thinking to myself like, man, poor kid. He was back like within a week, and then he told me, "Oh yeah, my haircut didn't last." Like, well, yeah, you didn't get a haircut last time, dude. Remember, she made you keep your hair long. But you know what it is, dude? Is my mom's raising him, so you know, my mom's 75 years old, dude.
It's gotta be tough for her.
Yeah, like so she can't. Like I pick him up in the morning, take him to school, then I leave him at school until I get out of work, pick him up, and drop him off. You know, then at that time I hop on with the homework. You know, so he's got a serious disadvantage anyway. You know what I mean?
How old?
Right now he's 8 years old.
8. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's still at that age though that can be catch up, you know?
Yeah. I'm even thinking about getting him maybe during the summer. I'm gonna for sure get him like some kind of a tutor or something.
You guys need something from the liquor store?
Nothing to you.
I'm good. There you go. Thank you. 12 pack. That's it. We're already done. Let me just clean this little side up right here, okay? You see? Look up. Look up. Right there. Don't move. No, don't move. Don't move. See your turning. Don't turn from it. Stay still. Say one more time. Don't move, Papa. Don't move. Take it easy, brother. What's up, man?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good, Jay. How are you?
Oh, you know, hanging in there.
Yeah.
Was it nice and fluffy?
He said his girlfriend doesn't want him to cut his hair. I already gave him the talk for you, dog. I told him, I told him the whole talk about don't ever bring your girlfriend in here and have her take your haircut for you, dude. You know what I mean? She wanted to come, huh? Right away, he had this little look on his face, like, oh man, I was a dreamer. And then Biz, when he got Biz got in the chair, Biz tells her, okay, how does she want it? Woo. Man, you almost messed up me, huh? Good thing. The barbershop is for you and your dad, you know.
Sometimes, Mom.
Sometimes. Sometimes the real boss comes.
Look at all the snow in the mountains right now.
The front?
Straight up the keeper of the canyon.
I like to get a snow right here in the front, look right here. If it hits, when the rain starts, I bet you if it gets colder, it's gonna rain. Yeah, right in the front mountains. There's a lot of snow up in the front mountains. Let me see one more time. Let me try to get this little spot right here. Last one, okay? But don't move. Don't turn your head. Don't turn. Don't turn and don't move. Just real quick. One more time. One more. You're done. That's it.
Over the grapevine is back there right now.
Let me just clean up your neck. Hold on.
Wednesday was bad when it was windy as hell. Dude, it was bad. I was coming up by San Onofre up in there. I felt like the truck was gonna blow over.
I do that.
I'm pretty sure he knows better too.
Yeah, I know. Whose dog was that? So your neighbor's finally doing something with that charm.
Okay, fellas, that's it for today. This Saturday is over.
That's it, boys. We're done.
Turned out to be a good Saturday.
Yeah. Started off super dead.
Super dead this morning.
Super dead.
I was even feeling bad for these guys. I'm like, fuck, fucking Saturday, dude.
I'm not even gonna lie. After my 11 o'clock came, I was gonna wait till maybe 12:30, 1 o'clock, and I was just
You're gonna jam out.
I was gonna take one for the team because I didn't see none of the other guys decided to leave. So I was just like, I was going to, but then that's when it started kind of picking up.
Yeah, after that, a lot of walk-ins came in. It was quite a bit of walk-ins. Whole new family that just moved in around the corner.
Yeah.
Him and the man and his two sons, we did them. That knocked them out of the park. Yeah, they'll be back for sure. They loved it. And then he sat in Raul's chair and he told Raul, he told me, I want it short, but scissors. Right? He wanted it short, but he wanted it with scissors only. Scissors only.
What I did was I just sprayed it down and then I just kind of 90-degree it on the sides The back, I kind of did like if it was slicking it back. And then after that, I just went with the finishers all around the head.
And he fucking... It came out good.
He liked it.
And then he lined it all up, boxed out. He loved it. He loved it. And then we took care of his sons. Like his sons wanted a fade. I hooked up the fade, and then Dave got his youngest son.
Yeah.
And Dave, that was a sick ass taper he gave him.
Mm-hmm.
He just tapered out because I told him just taper out the sideburns. You don't need sideburns, you know. Like he's a kid.
Yeah.
I see a kid with sideburns, it bothers me. I'm like, man, taper that shit out. They fucking kids should not have sideburns, you know.
Sometimes they like the sideburns though. Sometimes there's kids out there that like the sideburns.
They don't even know. Like that kid today, Raul had this kid. Raul came in, this kid that looked like Dora the Explorer today. Like seriously. Yeah. And then he told Raul, he's all like, "What did he tell you?" He goes, "I want a taper. I want a taper. I want a taper." But he didn't know how to ask for it. He didn't even know what he wanted.
Yeah,
he really did not know what he wanted. I knew he did not know what he wanted. Yeah. So I did exactly, Raul did exactly what I would have done. Seriously, it's exactly what I would have done. I would have just started chopping it off. And that's exactly what Raul did. And then that guy goes, "Hey, what happened to the sides?" And like Raul told me, "Well, you said you wanted a taper. I haven't even started tapering. I'm just getting the bulk out of there." Because he must have had like 2 inches on the side, huh? And he took it down to a number 2.
Yeah.
And then tapered it out to a 0 and combed it over. I mean, he looked like a totally different kid. I guarantee you $1 million that his parents were happy when he went home.
Oh yeah.
And mom and dad were like, "Oh hell yeah, thank you."
The mom and dad are happy, but he wasn't really too happy with it.
He wasn't happy because it was short. Yeah. But I guarantee you, he's gonna go out there with his little homies and they're gonna be like, "Hell yeah." That's sweet. Because dude, the 3 of them, the 3 kids that came, one of them had a fro and he's a little Mexican kid. Yeah. Right? And then the other
birds were in there.
Yeah. And then the other one, he had his hair long and it was just like all over his face and it was just hanging all over. Like no structure, no style, no nothing. The 3 of them, he came in and you could tell, I told him at the end, I go, "Hey, you came because your mom and dad made you come." He's all like, "Yeah." They're going to be so happy with us. But hey guys, sometimes when little kids like that, you know, you gotta show them, dude. Like seriously, you show them what a real haircut's supposed to be like. You know, like you're coming to the barbershop, and Raul told him exactly what I would have told him. Raul told him like, "Look, when you come to the barbershop, you gotta know what you want. First of all, you sat down in the chair and you didn't know what you wanted. You started burning out taper, and number 2, I said exactly what I'm giving you. You know, like, you got to know what you want, or come with a picture so we can see what you want." I'm almost positive what he wanted was to leave all that bulk and then just taper out the edges. But you asked him, "That's an Edgar. Do you want the Edgar?" And he said, "No, hell no, I don't want no Edgar." Yeah. Because you could have done the same thing. Yeah. That's the same thing you do with your brother. You know what I mean? Like, he didn't want it. He said no, but I'm pretty sure that's exactly what he wanted. You know what I mean? Like, he didn't want you to call it an Edgar. Yeah. All right, guys. You know, we bag on the Edgars when they come in here. Like, his brother's an Edgar, and his brother when he comes in,
whole haircut.
And the whole haircut, Raul's just talking shit to him, and it's hilarious. But the brother sucks it up, like, you know what I mean? He takes it because he likes his way. His brother cuts his hair, you know what I mean? And you do hook him up too, so that shit comes out nice. All right, guys, we're out of here, heading home to our families. You guys have a blessed night.
See you guys are around the rain, the snow, or they're lucky enough not to, but hey, those of you guys are around all that stuff, be careful, please.
Yeah, be careful out there right now, guys. It's out here in Southern Cal, it's crazy right now.
If you guys got to go somewhere, give you guys like 10, 15 minutes at advance. Don't be smashing on the freeway. Don't be cutting people off.
Slow down in the rain. Slow down. You're going to get there.
Just go 65 when it's not raining and it's sunny. Go 80, whatever, bro. But
not right now.
During the rain and snow, go 65.
It's not raining somewhere else, though. It's just raining here.
Well, isn't it like raining all across? No,
I don't know. Well, it is kind of like a wizard. They're having winter all over the United States right now, all the way down. Some places way worse than here, but it's snowing right here. I hear the mountains right here in front. I think right now you can't tell because there's clouds, but I guarantee you tomorrow morning there's going to be snow on these front mountains.
Oh yeah,
yeah. Because it's cold out there. All right, guys. With that being said, see you guys on the next video.
Peace out, boys.